The month of exams is here, and it is time to hit the final knockout punch. And make sure that in this war of students versus the exams, it is you, the students, who stand victorious. And for the same, we at Unacademy have got a marathon for you students where Anshul sir, Nitin sir, and I will be teaching you all the topics of CA Inter Accounting from morning 8 a.m. to afternoon 2 p.m. on 3rd, 4th, and 5th of July. Make sure to join us for this marathon because this is a very strategically designed marathon where in the first half आप हमारे साथ मैराथन पढ़े, in the second half आप पूरी सेल्फ स्टडी करें and in a matter of 3 days आपकी पूरी एग्जाम की तैयारी हो जाए. So let's crack it guys together and see you tomorrow morning 8 a.m. for the marathon.